Welcome in. We all know that your home is more than a house. At IKEA, we also believe that your work is so much more than a job. Our vision is to create a better everyday life for the many, and that includes our coworkers. We turn jobs into meaningful work for hundreds of thousands of coworkers around the world because we believe simply, a better life at work equals a better life. We make a positive impact. We side with the many. Every day we want to offer a wide range of well-designed, functional home furnishing products at prices so low that as many people as possible will be able to afford them. And to do this, we always look for better ways. As we work, we do our part to lead with a strong commitment to people and the planet. We can all create a positive impact. We all grow together. We believe in the power of the many. No matter who we are, we each have inherent value and the ability to lead and learn from one another. There's a place where every day people work for their family, their neighbors, and their communities. There's a team where you're more than free to be who you are, and who you are doesn't limit what you do. There's a way of working where absolutely anyone can ask if there's another way. And curious minds make more with less. There's a tomorrow where you will find diverse career paths and learning opportunities. At IKEA, we believe in the power of we. We call this kraftsamla. That's Swedish for rolling up your sleeves and helping one another reach our shared goals. We believe everyone's contribution has the power to positively impact lives. That's what makes working at IKEA so much more than a job. One IKEA. As an IKEA coworker, you will become part of a global community, one that has the power to drive organization-wide goals and ambitions. Within IKEA, the Customer Fulfillment Unit, or CFF as we call it, is fundamental in making IKEA an omni-channel retailer. The CFF is a fully integrated, process-oriented organization with an end-to-end approach. As a CFF coworker, your role is to ensure the availability of IKEA products and fulfill customer orders in the most efficient, commercial, and safe manner. You will sit near the beginning of the product journey once IKEA products have arrived within the United States and will directly handle the product that reaches the IKEA customer. Accuracy and the careful handling of products is essential, as damaged products directly impact the customer's experience. You will be handling goods and utilizing the correct material handling equipment to operate safely and efficiently. Speaking of safety, it is at the forefront of all that we do. We must secure goods properly to allow for safe movement through the fulfillment unit and stores. We are looking for dynamic, action-oriented team players who are confident in making independent decisions. CFF coworkers can look forward to the opportunity to remain active, focus on the details, and experience diverse work tasks. At IKEA, a job isn't just a job. It's work that means something, that has a positive impact. It's work we all do together, making life better for millions. It's so much more than a job.